Hi, my name is Meredith Shields. I support the Dr. Young Project because their focus is on early childhood health and development, and they support the circle of influence and the circle of support around a child. I've personally been a participant on the Facebook Live segments. I've prepared recipes, tried different cooking strategies with my 4-year-old daughter, and I'm part of a team who wholeheartedly advocates for the Dr. Young Project. Yes, Young Moments are happening in North Carolina and also through the Randolph County Partnership for Children. Let me share a few statistics with you. In Randolph County, the Dr. Young Project has reached well over 3,000 homes. It has made its way into pediatric offices alongside our Reach Out and Read program, and will, effective this December, be presented to each new mother that delivers at our hospital through the Randolph Books for Babies program. That's around 2,000 babies born per year at that hospital. Additionally, a handful of our child care centers will use the preschool curriculum, and our organization will continue to provide technical assistance to those educators. Like the Dr. Young team, we want to continue to generate healthy policies, practices, and mindset shifts in our community. Lastly, I believe in the Dr. Young Project because the team is credible, personable, accessible, and this is sustainable. Dr. Namalia, even though your genius practice and teams are miles away, you are making an influence and an impact in Randolph County, North Carolina. Thank you.